Hey y'all, it's Mary, and this is Mary Catherine Loves Cats, and welcome to my channel. I just came home a little bit ago, and this was on my porch. This box just got a nice tan. Fab Fit Fun. I can't believe it, y'all. If you watched my live last night, Friday night, or if you watched it today, I said that I had, they sent me an email, they created a label on April 26th, and yesterday was 2 weeks, and you can't contact them unless 2 weeks have passed. I sent them a message yesterday. They never answered me. And then this box is at my house today. So go figure. I've already opened it up because I had some add-ons. So I took those out. I'm not going to show you those right now. So let's see what it looks like. All right, this is what it looks like inside. Okay, a bathing lady. And then, you know, I did not expect this. So all my notes are at work. So I had to go through really quickly and try to figure everything out again. So we have just some, you know, the usual cards that don't mean anything much to me anyway. So let's see, what did I get? FabFitFun, if you're not familiar. I mean, who's not familiar? This is a quarterly box, and it is $69.99 a quarter if you get it by the quarter. If you get it annually like I do, I believe it's $219.99 or something thereabouts. So it ends up being $55 a box. So you really do save a good bit of money there. $15 a box. If you can pay for it annually, it's well worth it. So choice number one, there were two different sunglasses from the same company. There was a really cute summer bucket bag. I didn't need it. There was the Kate Spade lemonade container with the 2 cups from a couple of seasons ago, a throwback. Dr. Dennis Gross. There was a skin peel, vacation brand perfume. There was this, I've seen a few people get it, super cute top, red and pink and orange, maybe stripes and white stripes. So like a beach cover up or a blouse. Fenty Beauty body scrub. Beauty Sat vitamin C serum, glow recipe product. There was a cocktail shaker by Jonathan Adler. He always has nice things. And there was what I got. I got the Business and Pleasure bag, which I don't need, but I thought it would make a nice gift if nothing else, because there was nothing in that category that I needed. So it's a cooler. It is sealed up pretty well. It's different than I thought it would be. It's like a canvas coating on it. I have a bag in my car. It gets very hot here in the summer. So when you go to the grocery store, you know, I have to drive everywhere. So I do have a cooler bag where I put, you know, like my milk and maybe ice cream in, you know, and you know, lunch meat or whatever. So that's what this is. And it's nice. It's a good size. It's a tote. It's cute. It's cute. Muted sort of a green and white handles. Nice, sturdy the way it's on. There's some stitching issues here, you know. And then also there's a shoulder strap, which is really nice. So if you're going to the beach and you want to bring some drinks, maybe some sandwiches, you know, eat out at the beach. You can put this on your shoulder while you're carrying your lawn chairs and your beach towel and stuff like that. And then, of course, inside it's lined with the plastic. So if anything were to spill in here, you can wash it out. And you can put your ice in here, you know, if you wanted to. Or what I would do is ice packs if I was going to be out long instead of ice. Then, it wouldn't be too much to clean off. So the brand is Business and Pleasure and a $99 value. And there's an outside pocket here. This is really nice. I didn't know it was going to be this nice on the outside. I thought it would be plastic as well. And it does have that top zipper. And it has a nice flat bottom. It's hard to show you because it's been flattened out so long. So, hey, Camille. And category 2, there was a throwback of the sarong from last summer. There was a cute towel. There was the Volition brand. There were 2 different tanning products, one for your face, one for your body. There was a nice travel neck pillow. There was a pretty passport wallet. There was this cute vase Wendy Jean got the vase. I'll put her below if you'd like to go see that. The vase is really pretty. I liked the vase a lot, but I wasn't sure about it. And I, of course, now that I see she got it, I want it. So maybe it'll be in a future box. There was a necklace, and there was what I got. I got a 2-for-1 deal. I love the brand Amica is what I say. This is a shampoo and conditioner combo. So this is counted as one. So they're the Mirror Ball High Shine Protect Antioxidant Conditioner and Shampoo. Same thing. So they're shampoo and conditioner. And look at how cute they are, y'all. Tall and skinny. 9.2 ounces each. And I don't necessarily need shiny hair, but I just like the brand. And let's see. It's sealed. This is really nice. It has a seal so it wouldn't spill, which is very nice. Let me see if I can smell it. Well, hey, that seal is good. It's not breaking. I can't really smell it, y'all. I'll keep going. But I like that. And this is a $52 value, so $26 a piece. See, expensive. So I don't mind at all getting that in this box. Category 3, there was a candle there. There's always a candle, and I've had their candles before, and they're okay. There were these capsules for bloat, like for belly bloat. There was Viral brand eye serum, very nice brand. There was the Vacation brand face mist. There was, did I say that there was a Vacation brand perfume in one of the categories? I think oh, that was in category 1. So now they have the mist. It was an SPF mist. There were coasters, a pool float, travel cubes. There were 2 travel cubes. There was Fenty brand highlighter. There was also a blush. And then there was an anklet, which y'all, I ain't gonna ever wear an anklet. Now, all the cats want to do is get into yet another box. Come on in, Smudge, you can get in. I have small stuff, so go ahead and get on in. All right, so I got the anklet. It is by Danijo, Danijo, and it's valued at $140, which, it's not real or anything, so why would it be so high? But, they just can price things at whatever they want, It's very nice. This is a nice little satin bag that it comes in. A nice way to give a gift. And here it is. I won't wear an anklet. I have no desire to wear an anklet. I really got it, honestly, for y'all. I'll put it in a giveaway, a future giveaway probably. It's very pretty. I know from the pictures that it was pretty, so I thought it's a nice thing. Oops, it's a little tangled at the moment. It has an additional, gosh, that looks like it could fit on my wrist. This way you might be able to see it a little bit better. There's a thicker chain with a design going on it, and then this thinner chain with these little beads every so often. And then it does have a lengthening piece. So if your ankle is a little bit bigger, you can still fit it on you. It's very pretty. So we'll put that in a future giveaway. I'll wrap it back up in all the plastic stuff so it'll stay nice. And that was category 3. So category 4 was real cute. Bottle toppers. There were glass, a lemon and a chili, that you'd put in like an open wine bottle. I don't really do that stuff anymore. It would have been really cute if you have a bar. Really cute. There was also the Amica brand, whichever you want to say, of frizz treatments. There was Thrive brand lip tint. There was a hair clip. It was very pretty, but a hair clip, y'all. There was an Avant moisturizer valued at $99. There was a $250, like a gift card, if you will, that you could use toward a jewelry store that they had. And I looked online, everything is really expensive there. So, that would have been nice if you wanted to buy something from them. Cracked Heel Souffle. And they had a throwback of the Swig cup. And I have a couple of Swig Life cups, and I really like them. So Swig Life, It keeps things cold for 9 plus hours. And it keeps things hot for 3 plus hours. Stainless steel, stemless cup. It's 12 ounces. So I was using one of these recently on a live, and a few of y'all really liked it. The one I have has a flower pattern to it. I got it in my Goldie box. And this one is plain, really pretty. It has a texture to it. I like that because it's not going to slip out of your hands. But Swig is a great cup. So the bottom is rubbery, like silicone. So it's not going to slip where you put it. And it is stainless steel on the inside. Ooh. And then you have your lid, which has a sip place. So you can also then put in a straw if you want. There's room enough, they have a little dent in there. So I thought that might be something nice for a future giveaway. I already have my 3,000 subscriber giveaway going on, but that's what I had sort of intended it for. And then category 5, there was this stick balm that you would slick your hair down. I don't need that. There was an eyeshadow stick. There was a freckle, like it looked like, mascara, but it was to make freckles. I don't need that. There was 2 sets of press-on nails, but they were, the shape of them I didn't care for, and I didn't care for, one was not a shiny, I like a shiny finish. One was a matte finish. I don't care for that. There was some chafe powder. There was a body scrub. There were some really cute playing cards that were plastic coated so they wouldn't get wet if you were playing at the beach or the pool. There was some fancy toothpaste with a tongue scraper. And there was Innisfree brand, which is an excellent brand, and SPF. And then there was Earth Harbor. And that's what I got, the Earth Harbor, because it's good for giveaways. This is the Samphire, SAMPHIRE, Biotic Perfecting Serum. I love Earth Harbor. I know a lot of y'all do too. And oh, how pretty. Their bottles, they have glass. I think everything I've ever received from them is glass. And a lot of them are dropper bottles. And look at that. You can see how fabulous milky. That is like a peridot color, maybe. It's milky, maybe melon. It looks like honeydew melon or something. It's gorgeous. Anyway, so if I end up not using it, because I have so many serums and I have so many going, it may end up in a giveaway. And see, y'all, I want y'all to know that this is, this is FabFitFun for me. I've had it so long, I don't need stuff. And a lot of it I think of y'all to get for giveaways. So I'm not so sure about renewing it. I think I renew for the summer. I mean, for this is my last of this year. I renew for the fall. So we'll see what happens at the time. And then category 6, there was a scalp detox. There was a really cute 16-ounce container that was by the brand Swell. And last quarter, I got the salad bowl, which I really like. And it would go with that. But I have too many Tupperware things, so I didn't. I probably should have got that, but I didn't, because it would have been different. There was a face brush set, 3-piece face brush set. There were these wrinkle patches that you could reuse. There was a plant pots, Champion brand baseball cap. There were nipple covers, and there were dog leashes. And there was the Blink mascara, and this got all smashed up. But y'all, Blink mascara. It is a lash extension tubing mascara, it says. And Thrive. This and Thrive are the 2 tubing mascaras that I have tried. Thrive it's the most well-known. Nowadays, there are more tubing mascaras coming out, but as far as I understand, Thrive was around for a long time. I'm not sure how long Blink has been around, but I've received this many times in the past. I think in my single swag, I got it a few times, and I really like this. I like it better than the Thrive because they're both about the same as far as putting on, but taking off, this one's easier for me. So, I got that one, and this is valued at $26. So my box is valued at $387, and I paid $55 for this box. So, if I think about what I'm keeping, $26 and $52 more, my box, I paid $55. This about pays for it. And then, so I did get my money's worth for myself, and then I got some lovely gifts for y'all. And this, I don't have anyone in mind for this. It's sort of big to put in a giveaway, but I may, you never know. This is really cute, y'all. Really, if there's, if you're going to the beach, this is the perfect thing to carry to the beach, because you can hold, like I said, sandwiches and potato salad and things, all kinds, drinks, beer, if you're a beer drinker, whatever they could let you have on the beach. And then you have a pocket here in case you need something to go in there. It's a really nice bag. I didn't realize it was going to be like that. It's nicer than I thought. $99 value. So that is my FabFitFun, y'all. And I want to thank y'all for stopping by and seeing what I got. These are so cute. So cute, tall and skinny. I was gonna, if you want to stick around 1 second, I'll try to get this off of here. I'm gonna have to cut it off, and I'm gonna smell it right quick. Y'all, it took me like 10 minutes to get that tape off. Look at how nice it is on there. This wasn't going anywhere. They should sell that tape to the government. It was fantastic. You could cover pipes up with it. Hey, this is really full, so I like that. All right, this is the shampoo. I can't really smell it. You mean after all that and I can't smell it? Let me see if I open it up this way. It smells like I'm at the beauty shop. That's where I've heard of this brand from originally, is my hairdresser who uses it. And I love it. I love it because that's what it smells like. So she uses different products from there, as she uses a lot of different products, but this smells like some of the hair care that she does with my hair. So I'm happy to have that. Interesting. I love it. It's a Protect antioxidant shampoo and conditioner. Thank you all so much for stopping by, and count your blessings, y'all. Take care. Bye-bye. Oh, I do have a link below for FabFitFun. I never remember to tell you all these things, but in my description always are all my links. So if you're interested in joining, there's always some kind of a discount that they give you if you join. So you're welcome to join under me. I think if you do, I might get $10 or $15, but I've had 3 or 4 people told me they signed up under me under Allure. I didn't get anything, but that's okay. That's okay. I want y'all to be happy. I don't care if they give me something or not. But y'all take care. Bye-bye.